Hi everyone. The Formula One season has finally reached its conclusion. Over the 23 Grand Prix, CEVA Logistics will have covered approximately 130,000 kilometers around the world for the 6 Scuderia Ferrari kits. This achievement was made possible through multimodal expertise and a customized race-specific organization optimized for each Grand Prix. Kit number 5 transitioned into a tailored and innovative process for its final American journey of the season. In 2023, in a world first for Scuderia Ferrari, CEVA Logistics engineered an innovative rail transport solution into its logistics mix. This initiative fulfills our ongoing efforts to support Ferrari and take further steps in reducing carbon emissions. CEVA's team has been promoting and developing multimodal solutions since the previous season, with a combination of both ocean and road freight to reduce the reliance on air. As a result, the flow of Scuderia Ferrari's equipment kits has already been significantly optimized. Now, let's get back to our kit number 5 and its unprecedented journey. The main challenge for CEVA Logistics was to make it across North America without relying on air freight from the northeast to the southwest before reaching the Gulf of Mexico. So, CEVA's team had to find the right routing by combining rail transport and road transport with strict management to ensure a smooth transition of goods from one mode to storage periods in our logistics hubs. To meet this new challenge, the expertise of our teams was more than welcome. Just take a look. Everything started from the Montreal train station to Dallas. The train journey was not direct and required a transfer in Chicago. Moving 45-ton equipment kits as quickly as possible was the first challenge. The race equipment traveled its first 2,000 miles by train until it reached its first destination. A few days of storage at CEVA's Dallas hub took place before reaching the Austin Grand Prix venue by road, and then again returning to its starting point. A few weeks later, equipment kits returned to Dallas train station for their journey to Los Angeles. This involved a 1,500-mile train ride through Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, and California. In Los Angeles, kit number 5 made another stop at our logistics platform before hitting the road towards the city of Las Vegas for another Grand Prix. Finally, for the last leg of its American journey, the equipment kit traveled another 1,500 miles by truck to reach Houston. It now awaits its upcoming departure to Italy aboard a container ship. As you may have noticed, this new solution incorporating rail segments into our multimodal transports allows CEVA's teams to deploy its range of expertise. Moving equipment on time for each event calls for management, meticulous planning, and coordination between all the stakeholders, the modes of transport, and transshipment phase. One thing is certain, in these new logistics programs, more than ever, every minute counts. Meanwhile, elsewhere in the world, CEVA Logistics teams have been working diligently to provide leading solutions to ensure the smooth transport of the remaining kits for the last Grand Prix. Kit number 1 was loaded for the Grand Prix of Mexico, beginning in Genoa to the port of Veracruz in Mexico. Likewise, kit number 4 embarked on a container ship journey on September 26th, departing from Singapore after its Grand Prix. It arrived at the port of Santos on October 19th, located approximately 100 kilometers from Sao Paulo, and where it will be used for the Grand Prix. And that brings us to the end of this series, taking you behind the scenes of how CEVA Logistics teams support Scuderia Ferrari with their logistics solutions. We hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into our world across these 5 episodes, which comes to an end with the delivery of the final kit for the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix by ocean from Nagoya after the Japan GP. We wish Ferrari the best of luck in their pursuit of the victory both on and off the track. Looking forward to seeing you all in the next season.